Welcome to XBLUE. This video will cover the download and installation of the XBLUE Geo app on Android devices. To get started, you will need an Android smartphone or tablet, as well as access to the Google Play Store. Let's jump right in. Open the Google Play Store and search for XBLUE Geo. Once you locate the Geo app, click on it and press the Install button. Once the Geo app is installed, launch it from your smartphone. Now that Geo is installed, and you are at the login screen, you have successfully installed the Geo app. Thank you for joining us for this segment. Give us a call or visit our website at xblue.com.